Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to go ahead and discuss the differences between variance and standard deviation. So let's start. Let's start out with what is variance, and then we will move on to standard deviation. So variance. So variance is a statistical measure that quantifies the spread of a data set. So basically, it tells us how each point is located from the mean. So higher the variance means that the points in a data set are far from the mean. So it's basically how data sets are distributed. And the calculation is taking the square of the difference between each point and the mean and then summing it up, and then we go ahead and divide it by the total number of data points. So this is the calculation. I'll repeat it again. Taking the square of the difference between each data point, पहले हर data point का difference उसका square ले लेना है, difference किससे, mean से, and then summing it up, जो हमारा result आया हर data point का उसको sum कर लेंगे और उसको divide करेंगे हम total number of data points that we have. Okay. Now, what is the importance of mean? So, high, as we discussed, high, not the mean, I'm talking about the variance. My bad. High variance means that there are greater chances of outliers. So, this is the main thing. And it also helps us to compare data set and determine which data set has more variability. अगर दो डेटा सेट्स हैं हमारे पास और उसका हम वेरिएंस निकालें तो हमें पता लगेगा कौन सा डेटा सेट का वेरिएंस वेरिएबिलिटी जिसको हम बोलेंगे ज्यादा है. So this is what variance is and what is this is the importance of variance. Now moving on to standard deviation. Now what is standard deviation? So it's very closely related to variance. And the major thing that to notice here is it is expressed in the same units as the data set. So अगर data set centimeters में है तो standard deviation भी centimeters में ही होगा. And it is the square root of the variance. Okay. It also tells us how the data is spread out across the mean, and a higher standard deviation means data is widely spread, and a lower standard deviation means that the data is tightly clustered around the mean. So ये एक और ये एक. So if we see, the data is spread and this is a low spread of the data, right? Now what is the importance of standard deviation? Now it tells us basically how the data deviates from the mean, and the usages, I mean, the usages may be different, but both variance and standard deviation are used for comparing, analyzing, and interpreting data sets to check how they are spread across the mean. कितने mean पे difference है हर data set का, right? So with that, we come to an end to this video of the difference between standard deviation and variance. I hope you understood the difference. So thank you so much for watching and please subscribe to my channel.